There is this site that pays in dollar, and the thing is, the site is so legit. It works for all country. You understand? So I have friends whom they have withdrawn, a close friend. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the site, okay, and how to withdraw and how to do everything. It's so legit, sincerely speaking. So now I'm not going to bring you what is not legit here. Because I actually talk about sites that are lying and doesn't pay. So I'm going to be telling you how the site works because I am earning big on it. So watch this video to get it. I'm going to show you how to use this site and how to make money on it. This is how to register on the new site. So when you click on the link, if clicking on the link doesn't work for you, you can actually copy the link and paste it in your browser. So what you have to do now is, with this new site, you can register from any country. You are earning in dollars in this site, okay? So your withdrawal can be after 5 days. You withdraw after 5 days, like first to the fifth day. When you start it, you can withdraw on the fifth day. That's how this site works, okay? So now the first thing you will do is you come to this place, you tap it where that plus 90 is, you tap it and look for your country. Just scroll. If you search for it might have issue. Just scroll and look for your country. This is my country, Nigeria. You put in your phone number. So you start from you remove the 0 at the front. Just put your phone number. You know how to do it since it's according to your country. So make sure the phone number is very correct. So the next thing you will be doing is you tap on send verification code. You tap on it, you receive a message, a code. So as you tap on it, they will make sure that you verify that you are a real human. So it's showing verifying right now. So after that, so you tap on verify human, verify you are human. So they said it's success. Now as we wait for the code, you can come and input your password. Now let me tell you something. In this password they will tell you to put, now let's give an example. You must type in words, okay? Okay, let me make it open here. Yes, they need you to use, like, this is an example. This is not the password I will be using, it's just an example. So they will need you to use words that are long like this and also number. You can put one number, okay? Like you can remove the just make sure number is there. That's your password. It's very important. So I'm going to insert my own password now, then we'll go on. Thing just happened now. They called. So they might also call you, okay? This one they call, but mostly they normally send message. So I've been waiting for the message, it didn't come. So they called me to tell me the code. So I'm going to input the code now. So now after inputting your code, you tap on verify you are human. So after tapping on it, so it's going to say success. Now you tap on register. So they said the registration is successful. Now you will log in with it. So you put in that your phone number that you used. So you also put in there your password. Make sure you use a password you will never forget. It's very important. So you tap on verify you are human. So you log in. Okay, still verifying, sorry. Okay, now success. So you tap on login. So when you log in, so let me save this. When you log in, So you see this personal center. That's the next thing you will go to. Tap on personal center. So you now come to this sign in here. You tap on sign in. So immediately you tap on sign in, you sign in for today. So let's still go back to that personal center. You see that you've signed in. Because you sign in, they give you 400 gems. You understand? So that's your money. If you scroll down, you will see sign in record. So you just do that. That's the 400 gems. So if you sign in for 5 days, that's $3 for 5 days. So on the fifth day, you can withdraw your money. So I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money on the fifth day. That one is going to be a separate video. So now tap on this arrow here. You tap on it. You come to my assets. This asset now. So if you want to convert your money to dollar because you are earning in dollar, so you tap on this gem. It's already there. You tap on this arrow here. Let me go back. This place. You tap on it. You look for the gem. You tap on gem. And since it's already on gem, in case it's not on gem, you look for it and tap on gem. This place now. So you look for US dollar. This USDT. You tap on it. See now. So you tap on maximum. The maximum you have is 400 gems. So when you get to the amount you want, then on the fifth day, you tap on maximum and the money will convert to $3 here. You understand? So you can now confirm. So but me, I'm going to wait till the fifth day, but I don't. So you come to this arrow anytime. So you come to your tax center. You can see this times you've checked in daily, you've done new user registration. So you come back again, your invitation reward. You can also invite if you like. This way you have to copy your invitation code and invite any person you want to invite. So that's how it works. So now I don't want this video to be long. So and the other ones you don't really need them. So you can actually go through it though. So that's all for it. So if you want to check the site and you see it's logged out like this, you just have to log in back. Tap on login and put in your details as issuer. Okay. So and always make sure that this verifying stuff works out. So it's always, you can see it's successful already. So before I even input my details, so let me input my details and we go on. So I've logged in already. So the reason why we are here is, so we go to how to exchange our gems to USDT. So now you come to this asset here, you tap on asset. So you can see, please do not hide any money. Nobody is telling you to hide any money in case anything happens later. I don't want any issue. So you come to flash swap like this. You tap on flash swap. So this one is already on gem. In case your own is not on gem, so you tap on this arrow here. Tap on it. You look for gem. So it will bring it out. So even if you didn't use this thing to tap it, I'm sorry. So you just see it and you can scroll and put it there. So that's it. You put it on gem because you want to do it from gem to USDT here. So you put USDT. This one should be USDT in dollar. So that's your USDT, right? Maximum. So if you want to swap it to USDT, you tap on this maximum. So that means it's going to swap all your gems to USDT here. You understand? So you tap on this maximum. So I've tapped on this maximum like this. Now you will now tap on confirm here. Yeah, this is where you tap on the confirm. Okay. So you tap on confirm. So I still tap on confirm here. So they said swap successful. You can see it there. So after that, the next thing you will do after confirming, you come here, this area, you tap on it, you go back. So now in this video, we quickly want to talk about how to get your invitation link and many other things. Now, so what you have to do is come to invitation reward here. You tap on your invitation reward. So you scroll down. You can see invitation link, right? So you copy it. And for you to get your invitation reward also, invitation reward. But quickly, let me tell you something. What I get to know and what I've had to say is that
your invitation reward doesn't show immediately. It shows after 24 hours or the second day. Okay, if you've not been seeing your invitation reward, go there and go and check now. If it's been long you've been inviting people, so you scroll down. So you see your invitation reward here. You can see this is where you will see your invitation reward. If you tap on my invitations, you see your invitations here, people you invited. See the network. Okay, so you can see it. So you can see your invitation commission here. You can see it here. So that's how it works. So for that, and the next thing we're going to be talking about right now is and I would like to tell you something. Make sure you are not skipping your task. Make sure you're not skipping your task. Whether for 400 gems is very important. And if you want to earn more on this site, if you really want to earn more, make sure you invite people. Try. If you have people you can invite, post it on your status. Invite your family. You can, if you have a sister, you can collect their phone. Do it there. Let them be doing their tasks. As they are doing it, you are getting your own money too. That you see this arrow here beside this menu. So you tap on it. On under the personal center here, that's where you see your own money, right? That's where you see the your sign in reward, which is for 400, your reward gems. Okay, so it's different from the your invitation reward, which I showed you earlier. You will surely see your invitation reward. There's no how you will not see it. So this is what I have right now. So now let's go to, so now talking about how to withdraw. So you go to spot account here. You see this spot account, tap on it. You come to withdraw. You tap on withdrawal. Okay. So the best way to withdraw on this site is through Binance. Is it Binance or Binance? Okay, it's Binance. So you add your Binance this thing here. You can see where they put withdrawal address. It's just like when you have a PayPal address, which is your Gmail. If someone said, okay, you want to send money to your PayPal, okay, you have to send your Gmail and your details. So your address will be here. So if you know that you don't have Binance, sorry, go and register on it and use it to withdraw. And if you know that you don't know how to do it, or you cannot download, you don't have space on your phone, you don't know how to use Binance, or you cannot withdraw or any other thing, just make sure that you tell me, let me know. I can do the withdrawal for you and I will send it directly to your bank. But if only the money is up to $10, okay, it is when it's up to $10 you can withdraw it and let me know. If it's not up to $10, don't tell me to help you to withdraw it. So work and make sure you get to $10. So I'm going to use it. I'm going to help you to withdraw your money through Binance. So that's how it's going to work. So, but if you have it, so just make sure you do it here. Okay. What you have to do to indicate you are sending money through Binance, you can see where they put receiving blockchain. You can see it. So you tap on that arrow there. So it will pop up. Scroll down, you tap on Binance. You can see that. So when you tap on Binance, so that's when you now put your withdrawal address here. Okay. So when you put the amount you want to put here, you put in your amount. Then after that, when it is $10 now, let's try it. It is $10. So that you're putting there. So they will collect their own handling fee. So when you put in your withdrawal address, everything, then that's when it will show confirm. You understand what I'm saying? So you already input Binance, withdrawal handling fee, and everything will be showing. So you tap on confirm. So your money will be sent to it. Okay, I hope you understand right now. So in case if there's any other thing you want to understand, so just let me know. I'm going to do video on it.
Okay, now so that you've watched the site and you've learned how to do it. If you are really ready, if you are ready to know how to earn on this app, I'll be putting the link in my comment section or in the description. Kindly go there and tap on the link to register into the site. So if you have any question, kindly put it in the comment section. Okay, right now, I'm very sure you won't want to be missing any juicy tips I'll be drawing on this channel at all. So I would like you to follow, like, and subscribe till I see you next time.